How to use Garcinia Cambogia and Bragg's apple cider vinegar drink recipe for weight loss. Hello everyone, welcome to the I Love Garcinia Cambogia channel. In this video, you are going to discover how you can use Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar and Garcinia Cambogia extract to boost your metabolism and kickstart your weight loss journey. Most of you are already familiar with Garcinia Cambogia. However, introducing Bragg's apple cider vinegar to the equation brings a fresh twist. Studies show that those who partake of apple cider vinegar daily tend to shed more weight than those who don't. This is because vinegar has acidic properties that play an important role in improving digestion and boosting metabolism. Garcinia Cambogia extract, on the other hand, has won praises for its innate ability to suppress your appetite and block fat production with its main ingredient, HCA. By bringing Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar together, you enjoy heightened impact. In fact, here are some of the health benefits of apple cider vinegar and why you should start partaking of it daily. Benefit number 1, putting your protein to good use. Apple cider vinegar stimulates digestion of protein, from which we get the growth hormone. Growth hormone works like jet fuel. It reawakens your body and gets your metabolism ticking. You feel energetic and you even burn more calories when resting. Benefit number 2, improves uptake of iron mineral. Apple cider vinegar improves this process by which iron carries oxygen to your body cells and binds it there. This leads to faster breakdown of glucose. And the faster glucose is broken down to meet immediate body energy needs, the more calories you burn. Benefit number 3, a suppressed appetite for sodium. It's one thing to burn calories, it's another to control your bodily needs for sodium. Sodium is a key component of the junk food we eat. It also promotes water retention in the body, which favors weight gain. So you need to find a solution to this. Either you forego your cravings for junk food, or you find a healthy substitute. That's exactly where Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar together come in handy. Both are rich in potassium ions, and potassium ions can work as a healthy substitute to sodium ions. Benefit number 4, detoxifying power. Most of the time, our body operates at below average rates because of toxins which build up over time. Garcinia Cambogia and Bragg's apple cider vinegar together are both quite useful as cleansing agents. Apple cider, for instance, cleanses the digestive system by binding toxins and guiding them out of your body through feces. A cleansed system translates to better uptake of nutrients, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Now that you know that there are many health benefits to be had by taking apple cider vinegar drink with Garcinia Cambogia, here's how you should prepare it. Step number 1, get your bottle of pure Garcinia Cambogia. Make sure you get a high-quality brand of Garcinia Cambogia that has at least 60% HCA and contains no fillers or binders. If you don't already have your Garcinia Cambogia supplements, head over to our website at ilovegarciniacambogia.net if you're watching this video on YouTube. You'll see our top 5 recommended brands that you can trust. If you are already on our website, just scroll down below this video to see the list. Step number 2, use Bragg Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. You want to make sure that you use certified Bragg's Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar that is unfiltered, unheated, and unpasteurized. Step number 3, make your apple cider vinegar drink. Add 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar to a tall drinking glass containing 8 ounces of water and stir well. Step number 4, take your Garcinia supplement with the vinegar drink. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the label of your Garcinia Cambogia bottle. Take the required serving size with your apple cider vinegar. Drink about 30 to 45 minutes before your first meal. Note that you should never take undiluted ACV directly because it can damage the enamel on your teeth, damage your stomach walls, and it could also dry your arteries up, which could lead to a massive heart attack. You should also avoid taking Garcinia and apple cider vinegar if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, diabetic, or on any prescribed medicines. So, are you ready to put Garcinia Cambogia and apple cider vinegar to the test to supercharge your weight loss results? If yes, click here to head over to our website at ilovegarciniacambogia.net/ACV to get started. Also, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you found this video informative. Thanks for watching and have a great day.